Hey guys, I'm going to try and show you how to do a 3 and 4 strand braid facing this way, going this way. It's obviously easier when you do it on somebody, but once you manage the technique, you'll be able to do it on your own. And I'm also going to teach you how to do the 5 strand braid.
So I won't waste your time. Let's get to it. My hair is really long, so I actually can do it this way. For the 3 strand, all you want to do is divide your hair in 3. These obviously can be made into French braids, but that will be a whole separate video. And I know the lighting's off. Whoopsie.
So you're going to divide your hair in 3. This one's super easy. All you do is you get the outer layer, put it in the center, and then repeat with the left side. Outer, put it in the center. And then again, outer, put it in the center. Outer on this side, put it in the center. And that's basically all you're doing, bringing in the side ones to the center. See?
This one's really simple. You can make a bunch of little small ones. You can add a bead in the end and make some noise. This is what it looks like. You can see that one. It's really nice. You can leave it just like I have it. Like I said, a lot of little girls like that.
Now I'm going to show you the 4 strand braid. There's multiple ways of doing this. You can use both sides and work your way in. Loop them in, loop them in. But I think that's a little more complicated for beginners. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. Which is you're going to divide into 4. Once you have those 4 strands, all you got to do is get the outer strand over, under, over. And you're going to repeat that same step with the outer one on the same side. I'm going to go over, under, over. Hold the outer one. Do it again. Over, under, over. And you're going to keep going until you get to the desired length that you want.
This is the easiest way to demonstrate this one. The thing is with this one, a lot of people think that it's going to go towards the side since you're only going this way, but it really isn't. Like I said, I don't want to confuse you with the second technique, but this is what this looks like. It will not make the braid lean that way at all.
Of course, I have flyaways because I'm trying to do this quick. Okay, last but not least, 5 strand braid.
A lot of people, love this braid. Every time I make it on them, I've done them and then fluff them up and they look so nice and pretty.
So here's what you want to do. Easiest way to part 5 strands is your fingers. You just wiggle your fingers in there and grip. That'll automatically make your 5 strands. Wiggle your fingers in, making your 5 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just number them right away so you'll know where to go. Wiggle, wiggle, and just hold it. So you're doing, you're wiggling it in until your fingers go through your hair and you hold all strands. Automatically, that'll give you 1 strand, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't know if you can see them. But like I said, you'll be able to feel them. You're going to grab your hair from this outer one, which will be strip 1 from there's nice and quick. You're going to grab that outer layer right here. With your index finger, you're going to go under row 2, over row 3, and hold it. You're just going to pinch that finger in. Middle finger, you just grip all of that together. And then the index finger, you go under, next one, which is 4 over 5th grip. Let go. Once you let go, you're obviously not going to be able to see all strands, but they fix themselves. So you grab the outer layer again. Let's do this one more time. Get that index finger. You're going to feel it. Go under the strand right next to it, over that middle strand, and grip. With this finger, you're gripping all together. There is a separation here. Index finger, go under. With this index finger, go under, over, you grab it. This one will come to the outer layer. You do it one more time. You're gonna grab it, ring finger, go under, over, grip. With the middle finger, you grab everything. Index finger, you go under, over, and release. This one stays in the outer layer. Index finger goes under, over, grip, and then again, under, over, grip. And you keep going until the braid forms. And as you can see, the braid is already starting to form there. You can open it up by separating the outer layers once it's already been made. But let me show you this one. Okay. You're going to be seeing the underside, what's happening under. And then I'll try to turn it around. So we start wiggling our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab the outer one, grip it, ring finger, goes under, over, you grip. Middle finger, just grab all of it. So there is a division in there. Pointer finger, under, over, grip. Release. We're going to do it again. Grab that outer layer, get the ring finger. We're going to go under, over, grip, under, over, release. That made any sense? Give me a thumbs up, please. Subscribe. And yeah, I hope this helped you guys out. And if you guys recreate it, please tag me. I really want to see your creations.